Hello, this is Greg from Northern Audio, and today I wanted to talk about a product that you may have heard online or seen some folks do. Specifically, Michael Fremer has done this to his home, but we are now offering electrical products, electrical upgrades for your system at home, whether it be adding some additional outlets, or if you're looking to add a couple isolated circuits, all the way up to a 100 amp sub panel, all the way up to a complete replacement of the electrical service, 200 amp service with a 100 amp sub panel. But one of the cool things that we're doing specifically is an isolated ground system. Now that is something that will take your system to the absolute next level. It's an end game type move. Here's what it does for you. Is an isolated ground system is what they use in hospitals. And the whole idea behind isolated ground is to keep the ground separated from the what they call clean and dirty power. So the way that it's set up is it ties back into the box, and it's obviously done by a certified electrician. This works. I use it in my own home. But the end game goal with it is this, is that it lowers the ohms so much so in your home. The typical residential home, you're looking for about 30 ohms. When you do a system like this, you can get down into single digits. Why does that matter? All of your electrical pieces has no problem finding ground. What does that mean for the sound? You have a much quieter background. You don't fight ground noise. Things like that become non-existent issues. So these are a couple things that you can do all the way up to including replacing the whole electrical service. We are now offering that here at Northern Audio. Also of note, we are offering Romex that is going to be cryo frozen should you choose. We have a bunch of different upgrades along that path as well. So it's a pretty detailed conversation. Just wanted to get the information out there so people know that we're offering it. Come on in. We'll certainly sit down and have a chat, specifically what we can do for you. We'll have a free consultation and be able to get someone out to the home and let you know exactly what we can do for you. I can tell you, like I said, firsthand, I use this in my own home. It is a game changer when it comes to the background and the microdynamics and everything else that you start to hear that you never knew was there. This is really, really something that's an end game piece. Go check out the video from Michael Fremer. If you haven't seen that, I think that's a good example of what exactly that it is and what example, a good example of what it can do. So come see us at 3003 Babcock Boulevard. We're open Monday through Friday, 10 to 6, Saturday, 10 to 5. And thanks again for listening to the music.